Power outages and flooding are the two big concerns out here in Scituate. We're in the Cedar Point neighborhood, and take a look at this. This is the seawall, and you can see where part of it is crumbling. Pieces of it washed away from a storm last month. Now people here are getting ready for what could be another tough storm.
What they did was you can see where they patched it, and what's happening is the patches can't no longer bond to this.
Steve Berlow points to the seawall and the pieces of it outside his Scituate home.
This is all the original seawall, and you can see you can break it apart with your hand. There's really nothing to it.
With the potential for a powerful storm and the concern with a crumbling seawall, Berlow, like many, is preparing for whatever comes.
Possible evacuation with prepping and moving cars, doing that sort of thing. I got my deck folds up in front of the sliders, so just prepping for the storm.
We need to make sure that we get our crews to the right locations.
National Grid is staging nearly 500 crew members across the Commonwealth. Between heavy snow and wet ground, power outages are a concern.
Because the ground is already wet, there's much more chance of trees being blown over in that wind.
As people prep generators and pile sandbags, some, like Steve Berlow, realize this storm could change how things look along the coast.
For now, it is what it is, and this is what we have to deal with every storm. And as you can see, this won't look like this tomorrow. It'll be a lot worse.
Now, National Grid says this storm could make it tough for crews to get to power outages. They say snow-covered roads could make for slow travel. And if these winds pick up to more than 35 miles per hour, those crews can't get into the bucket trucks until those winds die down. Live in Scituate, Emily Maha, WCVB News Center 5.